To help with the set of ACT homework questions. And this one we have a graph here. H of x is this graph right here. And then we want to know what would happen if we slapped a negative in front of it. And so if we just think of, like, let's say h of x was x squared, which it isn't, I guess. But when you slap, so like x squared looks like this when we graph it. It's a parabola. If you slap a negative in front of it, it just flips it upside down, right? So all we really have to do here is take this shape and sort of flip it. So this part's going to come down here. It's going to look like that. And then this part's going to get flipped up here and look like that. So our resulting graph is these two parts right here and right here. And so just look through the answer choices and figure out which one that matches it. In general, putting a negative out front flips it over like the x-axis. So hopefully that helps with this one.